Hey everyone, welcome to Yum's Group. Today's topic is something that isn't often openly discussed but is super important: homosexuality in Islam. Now we're just students trying to figure this out together. We've read a bit, heard different opinions, and we're here trying to have an honest conversation. And joining me today are Kenji, who's really interested in religion and social issues; Jeje, who sticks to traditional views but is open to discussion; Keen, who's always questioning and loves deep debates; and Pise, who's got a historical perspective on things. So, alright, magsimula na tayo. Ano ba yung iniisip nyo guys pag naririnig nyo yung Islam? Does Islam allow homosexuality?
Para sa akin, most Islam scholars say homosexuality itself isn't a sin. Pero acting on it is like having feeling isn't wrong, but same-sex relationship and marriage are.
Oo nga, narinig ko din. But isn't that kind of unfair? Like, if you're straight, you can love and marry. But if you're gay, you just can't.
Oo nga. Ayun nga isa sa mga pinaka-big struggle sa mga Muslims na part ng LGBT. Di nila pwedeng iwanan ng kanilang faith. Pero ayaw nilang masuppress ang kung sino man.
May nabasa rin ako diyan sa mga different people na nag-interpret sa Quran ba yan? Differently. Some say the verses that supposedly condemn homosexuality are actually about abuse and power, not loving relationships daw.
Wait, really? Akala ko ba yung story ng Prophet Lut, yun yung proof na Islam is against homosexuality?
Ayun yung usual na interpretation nila. Yeah. The people of Lut were punished, and ang mga scholar doon ay because of homosexuality. But some people argue that ang totoong kasalanan daw was rape and injustice, not consensual na same-sex relationships daw.
So, it's really about how you interpret the verse.
But doesn't that mean we're just changing Islam to fit modern views?
Oh, salamat sa pagsagot sa question number 1. I think na nasabi nyo naman lahat. So, for question number 2, LGBTQ plus Muslims, pwede ba sila maging parehas?
Ito sa mga pinakamalaki question eh. Pwede ka bang maging LGBT at maging maputing Muslim?
I think depende yun kung sino yung tatanungin mo. Some people say that Islam is about submission to God, so if the rules are clear, you should follow them no matter what. Pero yung iba naman, sinasabi nila na faith is personal and Diyos lang ang makaka-judge sa'yo.
But let's be real, a lot of LGBTQs plus Muslims feel nila na they don't belong. They get rejected by their families, their communities, even their mosques.
Yan. Kaya some of them ay nag-live sa Islam completely. But yung iba, nag-stay naman sila at nag-try to reconcile both identities. There are even LGBTQ+ na friendly ngayon ang mga mosques.
Yeah, but how many mainstream people actually support that? Di ko sinasabi na people dapat hate nila yun but I don't think Islam is going to change its stand anytime soon.
baka, we also need to remember that Islam is about mercy and compassion. Kung sino man ay nag-struggle sa kung ano man, we should be focused on supporting them instead of judging, di ba?
Oo nga,
Pinig ko na.
like we all seen, right? Why do people act like being bakla is the worst sin ever?
Sa tingin ko, isa na yung culture sa nag-play ng huge role sa dito. Some people act like being gay is just a Western thing, but that's not entirely true. Merong mga LGBTQ plus people sa Muslim societies for centuries. Kasi
Gagi, akala ko na-open mic ako. Wait lang, sige. Yup, narinig ko rin yan sa mga ibang Muslim empires, like the Ottoman Empire. Same-sex relationships daw weren't always seen as bad. But over time, especially after ng colonization, yung attitudes became stricter.
But just because something happened in history doesn't mean it was Islamic. Societies change, but Islam is supposed to stay the same.
Oo. Pero ang Islamic laws ay nag-adapt na dati. Women's rights, slavery, at pagbabangko. Things have changed. Pero bakit naman hindi ito?
That's the real debate. Should religion evolve, or should people just accept it as it is?
So where does that leave LGBTQ plus Muslims? Na namumuhay lang ba sila ng tahimik?
Yung iba, oo. Pero yung iba ay gumagawa na sa kanila sarili nilang communities. Pero mahirap din to. Yung pagkapag family mo at faith feel like they're against you.
Kaya nga ang mental health ang pinamalaking issue for LGBTQ plus Muslim. Some face depression, anxiety, even suicidal thoughts because they feel trapped.
Wait lang, saglit. Pa-wait lang ako.
Cooking ina.
Okay naman, 4 minutes na 1 person yung cellphone ko, di pa rin shutdown. Palit na kayo pag nag-shutdown na ako ah.
Ate, pabili nga po, season red.
Wala nang red, green na lang.
Hindi pa
In sync ka.
Pag nakikita ko yung profile ni Kim, naiisip ko sa sarili ko, bakit ang cute ko?
Eto na, wait lang. Ang dami kasi nabili, wait. Asa na ba ako?
Ayaw ko,
So, yun.
nasa na sito.
Eto na. Which is why, I think, even if hindi ka agree, you should at least treat people with kindness kasi. The Prophet kasi was always compassionate, even to those who went against Islamic teachings.
I agree with you.
Tingnan mo naman!
Alisin mo yan, Kim!
Ulit.
nga.
Take 2%.
Sige.
Ulit.
Okay, game.
Ah.
Which is why, putik na wala. Okay. Nag-block screen yung ano ko.
Cut nyo na lang yan ah.
Which is, okay, go. Which is why, I think even if you don't agree with it, you should at least treat people with kindness kasi. Yung prophet kasi was always compassionate, even to those who went against Islamic teachings.
I agree with that. I may not personally believe homosexual is allowed in Islam, but I also know it's not my place to judge. That's between them and Allah, to be honest.
Oras na para tapusin natin to. Gabing-gabi na. May naisip pa ba kayo, guys?
Ayun.
O,
Meron.
sige. Sino
Meron.
dyan? O, sige, yung may continue na.
Ha?
Continue na, bay.
Ikaw, Kenji, ano ba sa tingin mo?
I think mas kailangan pa natin ng mga open concept conversation tungkol katulad nito tungkol sa LGBTQ na Muslim na nag-exist sila at pag-ignore sa kanila it doesn't make them disappear, di ba?
Tama. And kailangan din talaga nating intindihin yung mga difference ng ang difference between religion and culture. Kasi yung karamihan, some of the hate LGBTQ+, some of the hate LGBTQ+, Muslim faith isn't even from Islam. It's from cultural attitudes.
So, wala na pang iba. Salamat sa sa mga thoughts nyo, no? I think that wraps it. I think that wraps it up for today. Thank you guys for listening.
Thank you.
And thank you for
Bye-bye.
participating in our...
Thank you!
Okay na ba kayo?
Uy,
Oh my gosh, tapos na. Set mo na yan muna.
Ayaw ko yung
Bye-bye. Thank you, guys.
Baka ko pa itapon mo, Kin, pero susubukan
Sige,
na lang.
bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Inyo ko na ulitin. Bumili ka sa labas. Alam ko na yung sasabihin.
Wala kayo